Live na po.
Okay, good morning everyone. Today is June 5, 2025 and we will have a daily conference for 14 infrastructure projects. Before we start, I would like to acknowledge the presence of architect Reynard Adingo from Planning and Design Section, Engineer Muhammad Hafiz Mangotara, also from Planning and Design Section, Engineer Monica Verses, also from Planning and Design Section, Engineer Rodolfo Magtao Jr., back sec back TWG, and Mr. Erwin Espartinas from back sec member. And yours truly, Engineer G. Sabaron Nahala, back vice chairperson. So in behalf of the back members, we will have the discussion of the 14 projects.
Project ID number 25 FP 0110. Project title CSSP Basic Infrastructure Program Multipurpose Facilities to Support Social Services. Construction of Barangay Taysan Multipurpose Building. Barangay Taysan Legazpi. Scope of work: construction of multipurpose building works include earthworks, civil works, plumbing works, masonry works, electrical works, and finishing works. Approved budget for the contract is 19,798,452 pesos and 27 centavos. Project location: Legazpi City, Albay. Project duration: 210 calendar days.
Operator, please. Pinot yan. Tayo nakalimut.
Nakalimut po siya, pero di na.
Tayo siya nakalimut.
Nakaling po, pero hindi nag-load pag ano. Ayan po. Ano ba yung pizza?
Location is the perspective.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next project is tayo siya pwede. Yeah.
Next project is project ID number 25 FB 0111. Project title locally funded projects, national buildings, building program, buildings and other structure purpose facilities, construction of the Albay and DEO section, building including Motorpool in the Emergency Operation Center, Namantao, Daraga, Albay. Scope of work, construction of Albay second DEO section building, including Motorpool and Emergency Operation Center works, including earthworks, civil works, plumbing works, masonry works, electrical works, mechanical works, and finishing works. Approved budget for the contracts. 117,598,453 pesos and 95 centavos. Budget location by budget location 365 calendar days.
Try lang natin.
Nakaling po.
Lead lang. Download din naman yan sa naka-download naman yan din sa
Sa naka-post naman.
naka-post siya. Pwede natin. Okay.
Apo, meron na.
For project,
Yung perspective.
perspective and 25 011.
Drawing.
So shown is the exterior perspective of the IP 25 FP0111. You can proceed now to the next.
Project ID 25 FP 0112. Project title Globally Funded Project National Building Program. Buildings and other structures, Multipurpose facilities, construction of Albay Secondary Quality Assurance Secondary Building, Namantao, Daraga, Albay. Scope of work, construction of quality assurance sections, buildings, works, earthworks, civil works, land works, masonry works, electrical works, mechanical works, and finishing works. Approved budget for the contract is 58,728,458 pesos and 63 centavos. Budget location Daraga, Albay. Budget duration 270 calendar days. For yung perspective na project of ID 25 FBC 0116.
Perspective is from that part. So wala yung picture.
Wala pala yun.
Saan?
Ano daw yung sa item please? Yung sa
Sa
some quantities.
Yan.
Yan. Ano
Ay,
yung
sa
yun?
Pin ako.
53.
Sige pa.
Hindi pa.
Grabe.
Sa baba.
Wala ma'am.
Ay, meron
Finishing.
Sa mga
Ayun, ang painting.
Painting works, wood and steel. Painting works, masonry.
Meron.
ayun sa mga
Nasa green. Bakit green?
Taysan lang. Perspective. Sa Taysan pala yun.
Ano yun?
Ano yung station niya?
naman.
Sino yung babae ko naman?
Babantay na, may guard ka na po pala no?
Punta tayo sa next.
Project ID number 25FB0113. Project title CSSP Basic Infrastructure Program BIP Multipurpose Building Facilities to Support Social Services. Construction of Bicol University Education Elementary and High School Building, Legazpi Albay, Phase 1. Scope of work, construction of multipurpose building. Building work include earthworks, civil works, masonry works, electrical works, and construction works for first block of upon budget for the campus is 74,248,160. Project location Legazpi for project duration 140 calendar days.
Ilang area. Tingin ba po nung ano?
Nasa page 2. Visit to my
Kaya ang mga device ko ito. Or first floor pa lang.
First floor. Kasi ang abang na.
naka-design na para sa support. Kaya prompt lang.
Pero mga ano?
Sa floor plan daw po.
Pero laban. Yan.
150.
Sa
Balik po. Dali. Sunod. Yan.
45 by building. 45 by 90.
Okay, next please.
Next project is 25FB0114, project title 002, protect lives and properties against major flood management program, construction maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage system, construction of dike, phase 2, Barangay Bunga, Legazpi City. Scope of work, construction of 120 linear meter reinforced concrete dike resting on scale sheet of tile foundation. The approved budget for the contract is 29,398,951.45. Project location, Legazpi City at Daraga. The project duration is 191 calendar days. Shown is the typical detail of Arsenal, 6 meters high with channel excavation and surplus rock excavation. Left side boom. Next project, 25 FB0115-002, protect lives and properties against major floods, flood management program, construction maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage systems, construction of the Ring Road Dike, Package 1, Penalid Albay. Scope of work, construction of 96 linear meter reinforced concrete dike resting on steel sheet pile foundation, 0.426 lane kilometer PCCP with line canal and 14 linear meter RCBC. The approved budget for the contract is 29,398,944.01. Located in Camalid Albay with the project duration of 114 calendar days. For the typical section of roadway, the width is 6.1 meters. For the line canal, size is 1.85 by 1.5. And for the reinforced concrete dike, the height is 3 meters with general excavation. Next project, 25 FB0116-002, protect lives and properties against major floods, flood management program, construction maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage system, construction of Kagsawa CIP flood control Daraga and Bicol. Scope of work, construction of 59 linear meter reinforced concrete dike resting on steel sheet pile foundation. The approved budget for the contract is 14,473,860.20. The project location, Daraga and Bicol, the project duration is 94 calendar days. The typical detail of RC dike, the height of dike is 6 meters left side and with surplus common excavation, so surplus rock excavation. Next is 25 FB0117 CSSP Sustainable Infrastructure Project alleviating gaps, flood mitigation structures, protecting major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of dike, barangay Suwa, Panaling Albay. Scope of work, construction of 404 linear meter reinforced concrete dike resting on steel sheet pile foundation. The approved budget for the contract is 96,488,957.72. Located in Camalin Albay, the project duration 1272 calendar days. A typical detail of RC dike is 6 meters height and with general excavation and surface excavation.
For the next project, 25 FB0118, title 001, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, rehabilitation and reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse, and landslide, secondary roads, Bangkirohan, Baritis, Sogoy, Sorsogon Boundary Road, K0551 plus 548 to K0551 plus 692. So the scope of work is 0.144 kilometer road, 1,539 and 28 square meters slope protection, 100 meters linear meter drainage line canal, and 1 piece street line. Approved budget for the contract is 5,878,458 pesos. It is located at Legazpi City, Albay, with project duration of 96 calendar days.
Saan ito? One fish lang po.
Backup po abound siya sa Brgy.
Ang bakit sa bus?
Or, kasi, or baka yun na lang po yung pinaka-project sa project. Isa lang po siya.
Pag-ibig mo slide ka na. Yan, susunod lang nila. Ang gusto na pala sa rin dyan.
Okay po. May existing street lights po kasi. So, bali yung last na lang po yung nilagyan ng proposed street light sa straight line. For the next project, 25FB0119, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Elevating Docks, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings/facilities, improvement of road and drainage system along Barangay 15, Ilawot East, Package 2, Legazpi City, Albay. Scope of work, 1,528 linear meters road completing and 516 meters of Type 3 line canal, with the approved budget of 19,598,457.49. It is located at Legazpi City, Albay, with project duration of 231 calendar days. So the project contains 5 meters po na reblocking.
5 meters.
Yes. And then we have Type 3 canals on both sides and some parts.
National road, 5 meters.
Hindi po siya national road. May hindi siya sa Daraga or sa Barangay 15 na lang.
Parang ganyan. Try na lang ito.
So for the next project, 25FB0120 001 ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, preventive maintenance, secondary roads, Legazpi City, Multipurpose Road, 30537 plus 272, 30539 plus 188, and K0540 plus 000 to K0541 plus 315. Scope of work, 3.225 kilometer road, 2.226 lane kilometer road reblocking, 26,539 square meters of asphalt overlay, and 18 pieces of street lights. Approved budget for the contract is 78,159,676.79. It is located at Humapon and Imalnod, Legazpi City, Albay, with the project duration of 93 calendar days. So the project contains of 6.7 meters of asphalt overlay with road reblocking. For the next project, 25FB0121, Basic Infrastructure Program, Access Roads and or Bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of Namantao Maupi Road at Purok 227 Daraga Albay. Scope of work is 1.72 lane kilometer of road completing, 1,450 linear meter of type 1 canal with curb and gutter, and 568 meters 3-meter high dike. Approved budget for the contract is 98,998,457.48, located at Daraga Albay. The project location duration is 359 calendar days. The typical section is 6.7 PCCT with type 1 canals on both sides. Tapos some parts are road dike siya with 3 meters high.
Ano first? Ano? Precasting?
Opo, because at casting phase, hindi po
Next project, please.
For the next project, 25FB0122, CSSP, Sustainable Infrastructure Project, Elevating Docks, Access Roads and or Bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities. Construction of Barangay Road, CPU Gumihan, Barangay Maslog, Legazpi City, Albay. Scope of work is 0.292 kilometers of road, 0.584 lane kilometer road completing, 584 of type 3 line canal. Approved budget for the contract is 22,538,258.36. Project location is Legazpi City, Albay with 187 calendar days. So the typical section is 6.10 siya na road with type 3 canals on both sides already included sa 6.10.
Next project, 25FD0123, 002, protect lives and properties against major floods, flood management program, construction maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage systems, construction of Baril Tagaytay Road Dike, Package 2, Camarig Albay. Scope of work, construction of 107 linear meter reinforced concrete dike and 107 linear meter road dike resting on steel sheet pile foundation. The approved budget for the contract is 29,398,902.24. Project location, Camarig Albay, and the project duration is 162 calendar days. The height of dike is 3 meters with 3.086 width of road and with stone masonry.
That ends our review conference. Thank you very much. And good morning.
But sasabihin